DJ Designs, and I am the owner, creator, and designer for DJ Designs. And today I have a fun, easy tutorial. You don't need a laser or special equipment for this. So I just was looking at a video where a gentleman was making a cutting board, and he had all different types of wood and he was pressing them together, and he made this beautiful cutting board. So I said, my creative juices started flowing. So I said I could do that with leather. And this is the result. And it is very easy with scraps of leather. Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so basically I'm using scraps from leather that I've used with other projects. And in another video, I showed you how to paint leather. And basically this is done with Spray Shortcuts paint. It's the metallic one. I tried it with the flat and it doesn't work as well as the metallic. This particular one is painted with metallic paint by Treasure Gold. And I'll put a link in the description. I have all these extra pieces and I said, what can I do with it? I was watching another video where a gentleman was making a cutting board, and he had all kind of pieces of scrap wood, and he put them together and he made this one beautiful piece of cutting board. And I don't know if you know or seen the cutting boards that has the different colors. So I tried cutting this, but the edges are not that even. So what I did was use my rotary cutter. Okay. All right, I think I want to do some silver and push it as close as you can so that there's no excess. Okay. All right, now we want to pick up some of the gold again, and I'm probably going to have to cut some more of the gold. Okay, I did cut a little bit more of the gold because we want to do a repeat pattern here. Okay, and we're going to need, a good idea to turn your strips around. I have mine's kind of spread all over. All right, and we're going to need a little piece of the, might want to put just a little bit more glue on the end here. Okay. All right, and we're going to just put a little, I think I'll cut that so it won't flop off. All right, and make sure you press it real good. Okay. All right, I'm gonna let that dry and I'll show you the magic.